Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a haul for you from Megan Renee Plans. And I will try to remember to link everything below, and if for some reason I don't, please just let me know and I will be happy to do that. But let's see if it tells me what her MeganReneePlans.com. So it's MeganReneePlans.com. And like I said, I'll try to remember to link that below. And I didn't even see this. I did open it already, and I've looked at these with Tracy, who's here, and we were having some fun looking at the Happy Meal, but I didn't even see these in the envelope. So this is new to both of us. And it's cute that these look like they're from different shops. So this is fun. This is from Pink Polka Dot Lady. It has, looks like little headers and then quarter boxes. Cute. And this is from the Epic Planner sale. So I think I got in on a sale, I guess. And this one is from Imagine That by Lori, who I've done hauls on and I love her. This one is from the Pineapple Panda. That looks really cute. Wild Summer Designs. Planner Mania. These are really cute. Doodle Planner. Savannah Paper Co. This one is Burgundy Butterfly Co. Never heard of them. Actually, I have most of these. This one is Organized Magic. I got a lot of these, didn't I? Written on Papers. Oh, I love the cotton candy on this one. This one is Blossom Buys. That looks like one I'd really like. This one is Moonshine Sticker Co. And this one is Sparkles Delight. Looks like some are on Etsy and some aren't. So those are all pretty much new to me shops, except for the what's not Lisa Lorraine. Imagine That by Lori, and I love her shop. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one of these. And she left me a nice note saying, "Thank you so much for supporting my shop. I hope you enjoy the stickers. Love, Megan." And here's a little freebie sampler and another one. And then I ordered a lot of Halloween stuff. So here is the first page of this kit. I like the colors and I love the boo. So that's cool. And it is kind of creepy, kind of scary, which is neat. This one says Sweater Weather. So this one's more for the fall. It's really cute though. Love it. I'm going to try to separate these a little bit so that when I go to put them away, it will be a little easier for me. This one looks like it could be used just about any time of year, and it has the umbrella, rain boots, so maybe spring, but it's really cute. I love the purse. Kind of looks like one of the Coach bags. This one is Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's Audrey, which of course I love. This one is Winnie the Pooh. I don't know exactly why I got that, but I think it's really cute, so I'm glad that I did. This one says, "Forget the mistakes and remember the lesson. Back to school." Imagine, believe, achieve. Today is the day to learn something new. And my daughter's going to be a teacher, so I like all the teachery things now. Oh my goodness. And this one is Dirty Dancing. And it says, I had the time of my life, and nobody puts baby in the corner. And this one says, I'm scared of walking out of this room and never feeling the rest of my whole life the way I feel when I'm with you. Dirty Dancing, that's funny. I love it. And this one is a Halloween one that is awesome. I love the plaid and the red and the black and the kind of cutesy, creepy vibe. I love it. And a Christmas one, I love all things Rudolph. So I thought that was really cute. The Island of Misfit Toys one. So there's those. And I know one of these has a ton of holiday ones, so I think that must be this one. I can't remember which holiday, though, off the top of my head. This one says, Warm Winter Wishes. Oops. That's pretty. I like the trees on that, too. Must have been Christmas. Here we go. So this one's wintry with the little Christmas critters and Baby It's Cold Outside. Not Christmas. It doesn't have to be Christmas. This could be just winter. This one's Thanksgiving. Gather together, eat pie, give thanks. Happy Thanksgiving. It's really cute. I like this one. Hopefully you can see that okay. And the colors are pastel and subtle. And then here is a gingerbread kit. And this one is congratulations to the grad. And most of you know that my daughter graduated this year, and she's actually going to be able to walk on August 15th. So I will use this kit then. I think it's adorable. They're doing a special graduation for them, which is fabulous. So she is going to be a teacher. She already has her job, and it's exciting. This says the most wonderful time of the year. Cute Christmas. I like the blue added to the red and green. And this one says, love, I do, happily ever after. And my daughter is also engaged, so she's going to be getting married next July. So I thought that I would go ahead and get this. And here's another Christmassy one. Kind of pinkish and, I mean, red too, but kind of a pinkish red. It's really pretty. And this one is like a forest green and a nice red. Believe in Santa, decorating in white Christmas, or decorating a, that's not, dreaming of a white Christmas. Collect moments, not things. It's just really cute. I love the little cookies and the mug. Adorable. And this one is holidays as well. Merry Christmas, 'tis the season. I like the little car full of packages. I don't know, this one isn't one of my favorites, just, I don't know, but I love it. It's still cute, and I can see me using it. This one is Rudolph, so of course I love that. And it's not just Rudolph that I love all of the Christmassy, like, kiddo shows. They just bring me warm memories. This one says warm and cozy, and it's got the buffalo plaid, which you know I like, because I just said that. So that will go in my fall one. This one, I have something similar to this with that little fox, and he's just cute. And the colors are neat, the green and the gray and the red. Kind of orange, actually, but it's cute. Winter Wonderland. So, again, it's winter all year, or no season, no holiday, just seasonal. And this one, too. This one says winter vibes. Baby, it's cold outside, warm and cozy, and I love all the knitwear on this. So I think that will be really fun to use. Cannot wait. Well, I can wait, but I can't wait all at the same time. So I have lots of holiday ones coming up, and she had lots of different things in her store, and her prices are very reasonable. Her shipping is a little bit longer than some of the other shops, but because of the prices, it's really, I mean, I don't know. I felt like it was understandable and easy to work with, because you kind of, I mean, I obviously am not going to be using these for a little while anyhow. So, I don't know. For me, it worked out, and hopefully it will for you too. If it does, if you could put that TT.Scraps sent you, I would greatly appreciate it. Lets them know that they get some traffic from other people buying their stuff. And she doesn't know me at all, but I thought that would be cute. So thanks and have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.